Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you didn't need to, and today we are talking about SoFi Technologies SOFI stock. In this video, we will be analyzing 3 articles, to where the first one is titled, BestGrowthStocks.com issues comprehensive analysis and growth prospects for SoFi Technologies, and I think this is very good news as SoFi continues to put forth impressive growth so they can be included on various websites and growth forecasts, which should increase the amount of investors who are exposed to this company, and they could potentially invest into this company, thus moving up their share price. After that, we're going to analyze another article that goes over SoFi Technologies' stellar performance and a $15 price target for this company, which is very impressive because that would mean that this company still has further upside potential, which is very exciting. And then lastly, we're going to round out the video talking about the top 5 investors that are betting big on SoFi Technologies' SoFi stock. So with that being said, don't forget to go and annihilate that like button right now. Subscribe if you are new. Don't forget to go and become a member of this channel for as little as 99 cents per month because that's what keeps me here on YouTube. And with all of that being said, I say let's jump right into today's stories. SoFi Technologies, as you already know, is a fintech company or a financial technology company that essentially operates as a digital bank. And recently, they have been included on a plethora of various growth stock websites, which should increase the amount of investors who are aware of this company, thus increasing their overall buying potential, and the more they buy, the higher the share price should go. So I think it's very good news that SoFi Technologies has grown so fast and so rapidly that they are now being included on these various websites, which go over the quote comprehensive growth analysis of SoFi Technologies. However, if you've been following along my channel, we've already gone over their future growth projections, and you wouldn't really need to go to any of these sites, but it's good that more investors are becoming aware of this company, and that means they could potentially purchase shares in SoFi Technologies, because SoFi has garnered a lot of attention recently due to their most recent news events, growth strategy, financials, analyst ratings, and many other things. And speaking of analyst ratings, besides being included on many growth stock websites, we also have analysis from an analyst who says that SoFi Technologies' SoFi stock, ticker symbol SOFI, could reach $15. And that is none other than a Mizuho security analyst, who expects SoFi stock to more than double over the next 12 months, implying a share price target of approximately $15. The analyst expects the current momentum found in SoFi stock to continue to grow as they foster their thriving business. And clearly he has a buy rating on SoFi Technologies' SoFi stock, and he has reiterated this position recently. You should also know that SoFi Technologies has continued to deliver solid financials despite macroeconomic headwinds. We see SoFi Technologies thriving despite high interest rates and geopolitical turmoil. So just think, once interest rates come back down and the world starts to smooth out a little bit, or at least finds some sort of tranquility despite macroeconomic headwinds. And we also know that from their annual investment conference on November 15th, SoFi's CFO, or Chief Financial Officer, highlighted that all of SoFi's business segments are performing very well, including their diverse revenue streams, in which they have 3 of those. And all of them are firing on all cylinders. So holistically, this company is rapidly approaching profitability, and they are succeeding even during times of macroeconomic volatility, which shows the true strength of this financial institution. There are still bearish naysayers and critics about this company that say despite SoFi's overall strong performance, there is still potential risk of their loan originations and overall performance during this high interest rate environment, to where even a Goldman Sachs analyst commented that he has expressed concerns regarding SoFi's personal loan originations, and that's why he has a hold rating on SoFi. And if the worst they can do is a hold rating, then that's actually good news for bullish positive investors such as myself, who are predicting that the SoFi share price is going to go higher. As of right now, SoFi Technologies has 5 buy ratings, 7 hold ratings, and 2 sell ratings, giving SoFi stock a hold consensus rating. However, when we look at their average share price target, it's $9.39, which implies further upside potential of 27.41% from their current level. And overall, that is phenomenal, considering that they're trading at around $7.37 right now, while very bullish bullish analysts believe it could surge up to $15, while the average analyst who has a hold rating on this company is still anticipating further upside potential of close to 30%. So the bottom line is that SoFi's business is very resilient. They are performing very well. They are rapidly approaching profitability, and despite what these other analysts are saying that it's a hold rating, there is still huge upside left in this stock. So I'd love to hear your thoughts about that. Lastly, I want to talk to you about institutional backing that this company has received, and this is despite SoFi Technologies announcing that they will stop their cryptocurrency services, which will be official on December 19th. However, if you do have a cryptocurrency with SoFi, they will be transferring your account credentials and overall cryptocurrency value over onto blockchain.com. And for that, I want to quote straight from the article, which says, a SoFi spokesperson stated that the decision was made due to Federal Reserve regulatory concerns. In addition, SoFi's bank charter was conditionally reviewed on the terms that it would receive the needed approvals for its cryptocurrency services or end it completely. The Fed stated that SoFi's cryptocurrency subsidiary, which is named SoFi Digital Assets, was, quote, engaged in certain crypto-related activities that the Federal Reserve has not found to be permissible for a bank holding company, end quote. So essentially, once SoFi Technologies either irons out all of this ambiguity regarding the Federal Reserve's policy and what SoFi is actually allowed to do with cryptocurrency, then they could potentially bring this offering back to their consumers, or if not, they are just going to leave it as is and not try to venture further into cryptocurrencies. However, we're just going to have to see what the future holds for this company. But now let's talk about the top 5 investors who are betting big on SoFi stock, and this is going to be from an institutional ownership perspective. As large institutional owners buy into this company, it shows individual investors that this company has further upside potential. For instance, during the third quarter, we had 487 companies holding a stake in SoFi stock according to the 13F filings. However, this does indicate a decline of around 13 filers, which is quite interesting. But despite that, we do have strong institutional backing for this company. Starting off with Vanguard, who has 76.4 million shares, and they recently acquired 2.56 million shares recently in the third quarter. Next up, we have BlackRock holding $40.77 million, where BlackRock recently acquired more than Vanguard by bringing in a total of $2.64 million for that same quarter. Next up, we have Silver Lake Group, who currently holds 31.15 million shares, and then Two Sigma, which has 15.16 million shares, recently adding 5.58 million shares, which is more than both BlackRock and Vanguard combined. And finally, we have State Street, who holds 14.97 million shares, and they recently acquired 1.28 million. So I like to see strong institutional backing, and it seems that SoFi Technologies does have a further upside that they will break into during this quarter that we are in right now. Literally, once their next earnings report comes out and this company achieves profitability, we could see a spike in their overall share price, and from that point onwards, they are going to start a long, drawn-out process of increasing their overall share price. But ideally, you would want to acquire shares before they become profitable, and literally you are running out of time because the fourth quarter is going to end soon. With all of that being said, don't forget to go and annihilate that like button right now. Subscribe if you are new. Don't forget to comment down below your personal price target for SoFi Technologies, and if you want, go ahead and become a member of this channel to support me personally, because that's what keeps me here on YouTube. With all of that said, I wish you the best of luck, and I will see you in the next YT video.